SUEH Design LED Strip Connector Kit. Link and light your space. All the small parts in the package provide a great connection with the strings. It illuminates your light strips to the utmost. Easy to assemble. 1. Open the connector. 2. Use the provided tweezers to pry up the metal pins in the plastic connector clips to make it easier to slide in the strip ends. 3. Confirm that plus corresponds to plus, then insert light strips. 4. Press the metal pins gently with tweezers and close the buckle. Widely application. Living room. Bedroom. Bar. Decorate Christmas tree. Kitchen. Change the color to what you want with SUEH Design LED Strip Connector Kit.